Hey everyone, I'm Amelia from Construction Make Easy, a civil engineer with 5 years of site experience. And today we're breaking down the main components of bridge construction in under 90 seconds. Let's start from the bottom, the substructure. This includes foundations, like piles or footings, which transfer loads to the ground. Piers and abutments. These support the bridge deck and hold the structure in place. Next, the superstructure. This carries the load over the span. It includes girders or beams deck slab, where vehicles move, and bearings, which allow movement due to loads and temperature. On top of the deck, we've got expansion joints, which prevent cracking parapets or railings for safety, and drainage systems to avoid water accumulation. Some extra point carryout, safety and traffic management bridges are often built over live roads, rivers, or rail lines. Proper barricading, safety nets, warning signage, and PPE enforcement are non-negotiable. Crane movement, girder launching, and work at height demand strict safety protocols. Next point, quality control of materials. Concrete grade, rebar quality, curing process, every detail affects durability. Frequent cube tests, slump tests, and steel checks are mandatory. Special care during monsoon or high-temperature concreting. Next point, construction sequence and planning mismanagement in sequencing, like casting piers before confirming pile set, leads to rework and delays. Always plan resource scheduling, concrete logistics, and shuttering reuse in advance. Next important points. Drainage and waterproofing. Water is the biggest enemy of bridges. Proper slope, deck drainage, and membrane waterproofing protect RCC from deterioration. Final important points is alignment and surveying. Accurate horizontal and vertical alignment ensures safety and functionality. Surveying controls like benchmarks and centerline pegs must be set and protected. Minor errors in layout can lead to major misalignments in piers or girders. Summarize this video before building any bridge. Make sure the soil is tested and the layout is perfectly marked. That's your foundation for success. On site, focus on quality, safety, and proper handling of girders, bearings, and joints. Small mistakes can lead to big problems. And always plan ahead. From drainage to approach roads. Because a well-planned bridge isn't just strong, it's built to last. If you want this type's video, please subscribe over channel Construction Make Easy and please like this video.